Hello dear friends, today I am going to give you very quick information to many students going to another state to get their full license, because in the Victoria getting a driving license is little bit hard. Because in the Victoria, if you want to get a full license, you should have 3-year old overseas license or your age should be 22. So many students, they don't have 3-year old overseas license and their age is not 22. So that's why they're going to another state to get their full license. They spend so much money in a going, they booking their flights and tickets, and they get a full license there. But once they come back, once they try to convert their license to Victorian driving license, they get a P2, because they get a license according to another state rule regulation. They get a full license, because many states, if you want to get a full license, there is no requirement to have 3-year-old or 3-year-old license, or your age should be 22. So many state you can get even your license is like a fresh or new, and after 21 you can get a full license. But in the Victoria, if you want to get a full license, you should have 3-year-old license and your age should be more than 22. So many students, they're doing mistake because of less information and someone guide them wrongly. They think they can get a full license if they will go to another state, but once they coming back, they get a full license from the another state, but when they're trying to convert to Victorian license, they get a P2. I feel very bad for them. So if you still have any question, any doubt about to get a full license, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply you soon. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed and follow, please follow and subscribe. I will meet you with the next video. Bye for now.